Okay, so, I've had my Rubik's Cube for maybe about almost a year, and I just finally learned how to solve it. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and scramble it. I think I got this in Belton. We're starting to ignore some of the sounds in the background. Okay, so I guess it's a good scramble. So my best time, which I just made today, is 1 minute and 53.1 seconds. So I guess I will just start. I might do a tutorial on how to solve it. I don't know. I might not get around to it. And I've got the cross. Oops. Wrong corner. But I don't know why, but now I can't make that time anymore. I don't know why I take longer now. Oops. I've got 3 wrong corners. You might want to skip a good bit.
Well, yeah, that's what I would think. I would think the rest of it still happens, except for the, obvious. Right.
That's my mom talking.
Well, okay. You talk about the
First
racing
layer.
thing. I mean, I was on the phone with her when they were leaving. Because, I had to vent. Because she said something about, Mama. Yeah, they said they're going to go get ice cream, and they each took their own cars. But I don't know that she said no racing to them, or if she was just making those comments to me.
It's a good layer.
Well, yeah, that's what she said to me. She's like, yeah, they're going for ice cream. Then why are they all taking their own cars? So, why didn't she, if she knew that's what they were doing, what else could she have done at that point? You know what I'm saying? Oh.
Rubik's Cube is solved.